शायद हो भी गया काफ़ी टाइम और as many of you have said that this annual CLS short story competition and poetry competition brings together diverse voices, people who are part of CLS, those who are not part of CLS, and as we've heard from a proud father, participants from across the country and across the globe. मैं सबसे पहले जजेस का शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगी तहे दिल से। ये हमारे लिए मान सम्मान की बात है कि CLS का जो गुडविल है उसकी मार्फत साल दर साल वो अपना समय देते हैं, बड़े ध्यान से, बड़े प्रेम से। सारी एंट्रीज 300 से अधिक एंट्रीज हैं। ये इट इज़ अ लेबर ऑफ लव which they do for us, and I think on behalf of all the participants, on behalf of CLS, and on my own behalf, I thank all our judges. A big round of applause for them. And मतलब आप लोग आज प्राइज विनर्स हैं तो जाहिर है, स्वाभाविक है कि तारीफ ही होनी चाहिए, पर ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जजेस ने रेत में से मोती निकाले हो या they found the best among some not so great entries. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि ऐसा है, but so in any case it's a big job, it's a tough job always. Congratulations to all the winners. जैसे कि सभी जजेस ने कहा, मंजू जी ने कहा कि लिखते रहिए, इस साल नहीं, अगले साल नहीं, अगले साल हो सकता है आपके अपना एक कलेक्शन तैयार हो जाए CLS की annual competitions के चलते, and then you can think of publishing that. But on a more serious note, one of the primary objectives of the Chandigarh Literary Society has always been to promote new writing. And by new writing, I mean new writing at any age. And that's another thing that I think we are very proud of, that the number of new poets and authors who have then gone on to actually publish. क्योंकि होता ही है कि हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे ख्याल होते हैं, जैसे अर्चना जी ने बड़ी पोएटिकली कहा कि सपने देखने के इनाम मिलते हैं, तो पर वो सपने ही शायद हमारे अंदर पलते रहें जब तक कोई एक मंच ना हो, एक साधन ना हो, एक मीन्स ना हो उनको साझा करने की, और साझा करके अगर उसमें हमें रिकग्निशन मिल जाए तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा इंकरेजमेंट होता है, बहुत हौसला अफजाई होती है। एंड ठीक उस तरह जैसे कि बच्चों को भी वो इंकरेजमेंट अगर पेरेंट्स या स्कूल से शुरू में मिल जाए तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों में अपना हुनर दिखा सकते हैं, वेदर इट्स पब्लिक स्पीकिंग और डिबेटिंग और एक्टिंग, बट दैट इनिशियल इंकरेजमेंट and that initial push and platform is what makes all the difference. So I feel very happy that every year I get to meet new writers and hear कि हमने उस साल में आपके कंपटीशन में भाग लिया था और हमें प्राइज मिला था, तब मैंने सोचा कि मैं और लिख सकता हूँ या लिख सकती हूँ, and now I am, मेरी बुक लॉन्च है या बुक रिलीज है. That I think is the biggest validation for why we do what we do in CLS. Many of you are CLS members, and it's a purely voluntary effort, and very soon we will be having our biggest event of the year. We keep doing things the whole year, and that is the Chandigarh Lit Fest. We are really excited. It's going to be on the 22nd and 23rd of November this year. And apart from all the national and international authors that will be coming to Chandigarh, we're also very pleased to announce that we are launching the CLF Literati Awards from this year in English and Hindi. I got a comment that why not Punjabi? आपने मुझे भेजा था ना? This is the first year. We will definitely look at Punjabi. Can we broaden the base of the awards in the coming years? But this year we are starting with English and Hindi. And we have invited entries from publishers. I think we have received enough books to fill a room from all the leading publishing houses of the country. Not to fill a room is actually full of just books and books and books.
Already full.
And now we are in the process of sending those books to our jury for the awards, which will be part of the Lit Fest. मैं as I was hearing all this, पहले before I share my thoughts, मेरा सबसे पहले ख्याल ये भी था कि कुछ लोगों को तो हमें इन कॉन्टेस्ट से बाहर करना पड़ेगा. They should not be allowed to participate anymore. दिव्यानी is sitting right here. सुनीता जी जिन्होंने अब बताया कि वो भी 3-4 साल से जीत रही. अर्चना जी, आप लोग को तो ना जैसे वो बीजेपी में कहते हैं मार्गदर्शक मंडल, आपको दर्शन करना चाहिए हमें. Because you are too senior now, you won too many times.
उनको जूरी बना दें.
मैं वही कहती हूँ ना कि इनको है होना चाहिए. ये थोड़ी ना कि मतलब हर साल आप ही को प्राइज दे रहे हैं. सो इसके बारे में हो सकता है हम अगले साल रूल्स बदल दें. I'm just joking. But again, on a serious note, I was just thinking while listening to right now, and this morning also, I was talking to a friend, and he told me, "Have you tried XYZ?" And that XYZ was some chat on some platform. It's like Siri or आजकल कौन से नाम है, I don't know, whom you can actually have a conversation with. I said, why would you want to do that? He said, well, it's so nice, she's so interested. And no, but there's a serious point. WhatsApp में भी there's a feature, no, Meta AI. वो Meta भी आपसे बहुत प्यार से बात कर सकता है अगर आप चाहो. वो बताओ कि I'm feeling stressed. A colleague showed me, I wrote feeling stressed. उसने gave half a page of things you can do if you're feeling stressed. And then Meta asked, are you feeling better now? But I think this is the point. I need water, please. Adu, can I have some water, please? Thanks. This is the point. The point of everything we are doing is that in a hyper-connected world, we are still looking for meaningful connection. And those meaningful connections seem to be fewer and fewer. The people whom you really want to spend time with are either far away or too busy or in different time zones.
Correct.
And the people who are around you, you wonder if they are interested in you because everyone is only looking at their phones. You see a family out for a dinner or a couple out for dinner, nobody is talking. बच्चे को पकड़ा दो iPad या कुछ और अपना भी phone scroll करते रहो, खाना order करो, खाओ and you go back. So you wonder like what was the point? So whether we are writing, and writing is after all a means to connect, to express, but the essential search is for connection. So I just hope and pray for all of us here that instead of chatting with AI-inspired chatbots on our phones or mindlessly scrolling for that dopamine hit Instagram, I think Instagram is the single biggest time waster in the world. And अगर कोई भी young लोग हैं और एग्ज़ाम देना चाहते हैं, पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए तो Instagram बिल्कुल बैन होना चाहिए क्योंकि आप उसमें घंटों बिता सकते हो with no gain and with your mind overloaded, overstimulated. And I must say that my children also have pointed out कि पापा आपका ज्ञान बहुत बढ़ गया जब से आप Instagram पे हो, because I have learned all the things that were wrong in my life or that I was doing wrong. So one has to be very careful of what you consume via social media. But once again, congratulations, and I hope that through CLS and with CLS, while we share our thoughts, we remain connected not just virtually but in person, and that's why events, real physical events like this are important. I'm looking forward to chatting more over the tea that will follow. But for now, I think our prize winners must be waiting eagerly for their felicitation. Big congratulations again. Thank you.